and on their jet skis. They're here to make sure you come a little closer, please, to the beach. You need to stay out of the water when the planes are flying above us. So please call your friends and family out of the sea and back into the water. We need you all on the sand for the display. And our display continues, and we are so pleased to welcome some of Britain's great naval aviation heritage now. We're calling this, locally, the Taranto Formation. Partly because it features not only a Wasp HAS-1 helicopter, but a Fairey Swordfish. And just a bit of background, whilst the two performed aircraft ship-to-ship naval attack in history, employing 21 Fairey Swordfish biplane torpedo bombers from the aircraft carrier HMS Illustrious in the Mediterranean Sea. According to Admiral Cunningham, who was commanding British naval forces that night, Taranto should be remembered forever as having shown once and for all that in the Fleet Air Arm, the Navy has its most devastating weapon. Ladies and gentlemen of Clacton, welcome the Fairey Swordfish on the Wasp HS-1 helicopter. What a sight, Sam. And the bombing.
Flying the Wasp helicopter. So the aircraft have split, the Swordfish is heading out towards the pier and the helicopter is banking round over in the Jaywick direction. I think we're going to get a solo display of the Swordfish aircraft now. Now, whilst it was an aircraft that was especially important during World War II, it actually dates back much further than that. The first ever Swordfish flew on Trafalgar Day in 1941, the airworthy Fairey Swordfish in the world. She was nicknamed Blackfish, and she was built by Blackburn Aircraft Company at Sherburn in Elmet, and they delivered 82 Litchfield Squadron on the 20th of October 1941 for overseas transportation in Gibraltar. She served in the Royal Navy's Mediterranean Fleet for a year, and then little is known about her active service in the Mediterranean, but it is likely that she was based at the North Front in Gibraltar, carrying out patrols over the straits. And the Swordfish now is flying parallel to the beach in the direction of the pier. What a wonderful view this afternoon, lovely clear skies to be able to see the wonderful silhouette of this